Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Leela Web Dev. This is Leela. So we are learning about the Angular 19 testing the services. So in our previous video we have learned about how to test the services without using the Angular testing utilities. So now in this video I will try to show you how we can test the services which are dependent on other services. So how we can test those scenarios. This is a simple service which doesn't depend on anything. So just simple service this one. Now for example, let's say that services in Angular normally if you try to see often depends on other services, and these dependencies are injected into the service constructor using Angular dependency injection. So that is normally testing such services require mocking or replacing these dependencies to verify the service's behavior in isolation. So now in this video we will try to cover creating a dependent service and writing tests with various techniques. What are the different types of techniques that are available without using the Angular testing utilities? I will try to show you. First of all, for this one we will be creating a service. So this is our value service. So just I will try to use this get value only. Fine. So now I will create a master service which depends on value service and it delegates its get value method to the value service. So for this one what I will try to do is ng gc in the services I will create the master service. That's it. So it will take some time to create it. So now this master service will be dependent on the value service. So I will be injecting the value service into the master service using the dependency injection. So let's try to inject that one. So let it create. So I have created the master service. So previously we have created a component instead of service. So I have created a service G and S. Fine. Let's go to the master service.ts file, and here I will be injecting the private value service which is of type value service. So I am injecting the value service also. That's it. So now here what I will try to do, here let's say that I will be having a get value method in this one also, but here this one will return this dot value service, this dot value service dot get value. That's it. So this one is dependent on this one. So now this is our master service. Now what I will try to do, I will write the unit test without using the Angular testing utilities. So when testing services in isolation, the following techniques can be used. What are those things is, first one is the real dependency. So inject the real value service into master service. This is the simplest approach, but it is less practical when dependencies are complex. So first I will try to show you. Let's go to the master service.spec.ts file. So here I will be not using this one all. Okay. And what I will try to do here, so I will use describe master service, and here what I will try to do it is, so I will use simply like this. I am testing the hash get value should return the value from the real service. So this is our thing. So this is one way how we can test it. And now here I will be using constant master service is equal to new master service of, and here I need to provide the new value service. Okay. So here this is how I will be creating it. Now here I can remove this one. Master service. Okay. So this is how. Now here I will be writing expect of master service dot get value, and it should be equal to be of real value. That's it. So now we need to check it like this. Now if I try to do the npm test, so it will check all the testing scenarios and we'll try to see it. And this one is possible. We are injecting the real value service into this one. This is the simplest approach, but it is less practical when dependencies are more complex. When these dependencies are complex and this dependency is dependent on another one, like that it is going on means, so it will become a complex thing. So if it is a simple thing means, so we can use this type of scenario. So this is one way how we can test the services which have a dependencies on another service. So here if you try to see, the master service is getting executed. So now this is one way. Get value should return the value from the real service. So now this one has been test case has been passed. So now we'll try to see the another test case. So another way how we can do it. So now another one is fake dependency. So here we are trying to use the value service, this one, right? We can use a fake implementation of the dependency. This is suitable when you want full control over the behavior of the dependency. So for this one, what I will try to do it is, so here directly we will try to use class fake value service, and this is our fake value service, and here you will be having get value, and this one return fake service value. So this is one way which you can fake it, and here you can do fake value service. So this is how you will be providing the fake value service. Okay, so this is our fake value service. Now here this one is not assignable to a parameter of value service. Let's try to see it. So what I will try to do is I will create another one. Let's close this one so that you can able to see. Yeah, hash get value and should return faked value. Okay, and in this one I can have in such a way that like this, and here you can have a constant master service is equal to new master service of new fake value service. Okay, as so here you can do it as something like this. Okay, and here expect master service dot get value dot to be of, this time I will use faked service value. Okay, I was trying to check it with the faked thing. So that's it. Now if I try to test this scenario, let's go and test this scenario, and here it has been faked service value to be faked service value. Okay, so here I am using fakes. Okay, so here let's try to modify it. So now hopefully this one should pass. So if you try to check it, yeah, here the faked service also is getting passed. So this is one way. So we are using the fake implementation of the dependency. So this is useful when you want full control over the behavior of the dependency. So another one which you want to take is fake object. So we can use a simple object and we can fake it this one also. So here let's try to do it. Another scenario I will try to show you. It hash get value should return fake value from object. Okay, this is an object I am trying to use it, and for this one, and for this one what I will try to do it is same thing. So here what I will do is constant fake I will use it, and this is an object. So here you can have a get value which is of type object. Okay, and this one returns, so here this one returns the fake value. That's it. So this is our fake object, and the same thing you will be having constant master service is equal to new master service of fake as value service. Okay, you can fake it like this, and here we can expect the master service dot get value to be fake value. That's it. So now here we can create a fake object. We can use a simple object with the required method to mimic the dependency. So this is one way how you can do it. And now if you try to check it here, this one also works fine. So fake value from the object, this is also working fine. And the last one is the using the spy. So using the Jasmine spy method, so we can mock the dependency. This allows you to track the method calls and their arguments also. So for this one what I will try to do it is, so here at the last I will try to do it hash get value should return stubbed value. Okay, this is called as stubbed value normally. So here what I will try to do here, first of all we need to create a spy object. So for this one constant value service spy, so we are creating a spy object. So using the Jasmine dot create spy object. Okay, we can use the create spy object, and for what is that name? So that is nothing but value service. Okay, and the method which I want to do it is a get value. Okay, so this is the method which I want to have. So that's it. And now here you can have a stub value. that is nothing but stub value. So I will create a stub value only. Now here, so what I want to do is value service spy dot, okay, dot get value dot end, okay, and dot return value. So I need to use the return value for this one. So return value should be that stub value. That's it. So I am trying to mock this all the things. So fine. So now here I can do constant master service is equal to new master service of, and here I can do the value service by. So I can send this one, and here I can check that expect the master service dot get value, and it should be dot to be the stub value. So I can use something like stub value. So this is one way. So now I can check it this one also. So now here you will be able to see this one also, the test case also, it has been passed. So you will be able to see the stubbed value. So now here what I am trying to do here, creating a spy object, and I am trying to return the value with this one. So what is the use of using this one is, I can check the call count also. Expect of value service spy dot, okay, dot get value. So how many times it has been called? So calls dot count. So you can check the count, and it should be called only once. Okay. So that is one thing. And now here also you can check that most recent value, and these all the things also we can check it. Just I am trying to show you. So if I try to show you with the 2 means, then let's try to see whether we can able to get an output or an error. Let's try to see it. So now here, so masters get, so here expected 1 to be 2. So here it is expected 1. That's it. So this is how, these are the different ways how we can test the dependency of the services. First one is just directly injecting the real value service, and here we are trying to create a fake service, and here we are creating a fake object, and here we are using the Jasmine spy object, and we are trying to do it. These are the different ways how we can do it. Hope you understood about this concept. If you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video, and if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.